Hi, welcome to my channel Lifelong Lifestyle. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Ombika and I upload videos related to hair care, skincare and mostly reviews videos of product and DIY methods. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos too. Thank you. Today's video is about my 5 favorite hair oils. So my top 5 favorite hair oil list is here. So let's get started. The first oil in my list is no doubt castor oil, and I am using castor oil myself and I am getting amazing result regarding hair growth. And regarding hair growth, castor oil's benefits, I will talk about these things in another video, but it is really a magical and the very best, my favorite oil, castor oil. It rich in omega-6 fatty acids and ricinoleic acids. So if you massage your scalp with castor oil, it helps in blood circulation and it helps in hair regrowth and prevents hair fall. So the one problem with castor oil is that it is very thick, so you may look chipku and oily when applied to your hair, like me, because I have already applied my hair. You can see my scalp. I have applied castor oil overnight on my scalp and hair, and I haven't shampooed my hair because as I have told you, I am treating my hair regrowth, testing this with castor oil. So I have applied castor oil here and you can see that I have an oily scalp, but you should, because it is very thick oil, so you should dilute this oil in another carrier oil, and I generally dilute castor oil in warm coconut oil. So here is my second favorite oil, hair oil, is coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acid. You should use virgin coconut oil. If it is not available, you can use any pure coconut oil. It may be Patanjali coconut oil or parachute coconut oil. So whatever you can use it would give a good result. I prefer to use coconut oil on my hair shaft or hair length because it doesn't moisturize the length hair shaft, but it hydrates hair shaft and it gives an added shine to your hair. It softens your hair and it locks the hydrating properties of your conditioner. So it also protects your hair from UV damages, so it can be used as a sun protector for your hair. So coconut oil is multi-purpose. Add castor oil and coconut oil for my hair. These are first 2 favorite oils and which I generally use on my hair. And I also use the other 3 oils that I love using for my hair are essential oils. Oh, I forgot to show you my castor oil. This is the castor oil that I am using at present. It is a store-bought castor oil, Baidyanath castor oil. You can use any castor oil. There are very popular brands of castor oil. You can choose any one. You can pick any one. I have bought this from a store, British store, not online. So this is the one that I'm using at present and I'm really getting good result. And the essential oil I was talking about is rosemary essential oil. This is considered to be very much effective for hair regrowth. This is considered to be safer without any side effects, and people who don't want to go through conventional medication for hair regrowth medication, so they use this rosemary oil as an alternative of hair regrowth medication. So you can think how much effective and beneficial rosemary essential oil is. Though the effectiveness, the researches on effectiveness of rosemary essential oil is very much limited at its early stage, but at least there are researches on the effectiveness and of rosemary essential oil and it has shown good result. Rosemary oil should be used 1 to 2 times per week for at least 6 months. And it would definitely show you result. And essential oils should be used diluted in diluted form in other carrier oils, and it only 3 to 4 drops essential oil is more than enough for one-time use. So my 4th favorite oil, that is an essential oil, it is peppermint essential oil. So it is my favorite because it strengthens the hair follicles, it improves the blood circulation, it solves the dry scalp problem by hydrating and moisturizing our scalp, and it also strengthens the roots. But peppermint oil, the peppermint oil should be used in very little amount, very little quantity. Just use 2 drops of peppermint oil and mix it. You must mix it with coconut oil and other carrier oil. So I prefer mixing it with either with castor oil or coconut oil. Then I massage it on my scalp. There are researches which have shown that peppermint oil has shown a great result, a good result at least, regarding hair regrowth, especially if you are going through anagen phase or hair growth phase. And then comes the last oil in the least, but not the least actually, my third favorite essential oil, that is, let me show you first. Yes, that is tea tree oil. Though I use tea tree oil on my skin, but I use this on my hair too. Tea tree oil helps me to keep my scalp clean and bacteria free. Okay, due to its antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, tea tree oil helps to unclog the pores of scalp and removes bacteria. Thus, it helps to prevent dandruff, which is a common problem during winter and other seasons also. So it is very helpful regarding the health of scalp health. It soothes dry, itchy scalp, and it also makes your scalp healthy, and it also treats head lice. So tea tree oil is my 5th favorite oil. So these are my favorite oils for hair. And I also love using olive oil, virgin olive oil, when I do hair spa. I prefer using olive oil. So these are the oils that I use for my hair, and these are the top 5 hair oils. I hope you have liked the video very much. If you have liked the video, so please give a thumbs up and please consider subscribing my channel. So for this time, bye.